Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to open a Shopify store in Amharic. We will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to create a Shopify account. Go to the Shopify website and click on Get Started. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and store name. Next, you need to add a business address and phone number. This information will be used to set up your store and process payments. After that, you need to select a plan that suits your business needs. Shopify offers several plans, including Basic, Standard, and Advanced. Now, let's move on to setting up your store. You need to add a store name, logo, and description. This information will be displayed on your store's homepage. You also need to set up your store's currency, language, and time zone. To add products to your store, go to the Products tab and click on Add Product. Fill out the product information, including product name, description, price, and images. You can also add variants, such as different sizes and colors. To set up payments, go to the Payment Providers tab and select a payment gateway, such as PayPal or credit card. Follow the instructions to set up your payment account. Finally, let's talk about shipping. You need to set up shipping rates and options. Go to the Shipping tab and select a shipping carrier, such as USPS or FedEx. Follow the instructions to set up your shipping account. In conclusion, opening a Shopify store in Amharic is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can create a professional online store and start selling products to customers in Ethiopia and around the world. Remember to always follow best practices, such as optimizing your store for search engines and providing excellent customer service.